So today I have made wheat halwa for Tara. It's 11 o'clock. So it's time for your first solid tea. She's ready. पहले देसी घी डालिए कढ़ाई में, उसको थोड़ा गर्म होने दीजिए. उसके बाद उसमें डालिए आटा. आटे को थोड़ा ब्राउन होने दीजिए. आपके पास ड्राई फ्रूट्स हैं जो आपने ग्राइंड किए हुए हैं अच्छे से, वो डालिए थोड़े ड्राई फ्रूट्स. और ये आप अपने 7 मंथ्स के बेबी को दे सकते हैं. तारा 7 मंथ्स की है तो मैं उसको देती हूँ. और उसमें लास्ट में जब ये ब्राउन हो जाए थोड़ा पानी डालिए और एकदम पतला करना है इसको आपको. और उसके बाद आप उसमें जैगरी डालिए. शुगर प्लीज मत डालिए, जैगरी डालिए. तारा को जैगरी बहुत पसंद है तो मुझे हर खाने में थोड़ा डालना पड़ता है जैगरी इसके लिए. गुजराती रूट्स आई मस्ट से शी लाइक स्वीट. बस उसके बाद अगर आपको लगता है कि थोड़े गांठे हैं या कुछ तो एक बार मिक्सी में चला दीजिए.
What did we make today, Ariana?
Tiramisu. And it's done.
It's done. Now what do we have to do?
Put in the fridge.
Freezer.
No, fridge.
Fridge for how many hours?
8.
Okay, so after 8 hours, I'm going to show you the face of Misu.
And then
Too bad you can't eat it, but we are going to.
we're gonna eat it for you.
Okay, bye. Let's go. Let's take this.
You pick it
Are
up.
we going upstairs?
Yeah, it's stuck on the floor.
Do you want me to pick it up? Okay. Just say bye bye.
Bye bye.
ये क्या हो रहा है? मैं देख रहा हूं सब लोग घर के बाहर निकल रहे हैं. क्यों? आप लोग सिटीजन्स हैं. आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि आप अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने बच्चों का ख्याल रखें. ये ऐसी बीमारी है कि 2 से 4, 4 से 8, 8 से 16 हो जा रहे हैं लोग. एक काम करते हैं, इस बीमारी को इरेडिकेट करते हैं, उसके बाद सब एक साथ बाहर निकलेंगे ना. क्या दिक्कत है? घर पे बैठिए, बुक्स पढ़िए, पेंटिंग करिए, अपनी फैमिली को टाइम दीजिए. प्लीज दरख्वास्त कर रहा हूँ आपसे. प्लीज प्लीज.
Hello everyone, it's day 2 of my hashtag 21 day challenge. My body hurts because yesterday I think I went a little overboard, and when you start working out after a period, like after a gap, you have to take it easy. So today I'm going to do a bit of a simpler yoga routine, more of like stretching and stuff, and everything else is going to remain the same. Of course, the food is going to be different, and I'm really struggling to find out what exactly can I make, because I literally know like Maggi, oats, and like 1 or 2 other things. But we'll take it step by step, and without further ado, let's what's up. So I just got done with my shower. Okay, that's the pressure cooker ki seeti. Please ignore it. Okay, so for my face today, while I was in the shower, I wanted to do some sort of exfoliation to get rid of all the dead cells on my skin. So I actually used this Upton, I think that's what you call it. It's called the Neem Turmeric Face and Body Scrub. This is what it looks like. This is from this brand called Roots to Roses. So what I did was that I basically took this powder on my hands, and instead of applying face wash, I just rubbed it with water and like nicely scrubbed my face with it. And I do feel like my skin is feeling smoother. I did not use any other face wash, so I'm just gonna go on with my regular skincare. I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu Cucumber Cleansing Lotion. I'm sorry about the pressure cooker ki CP. And I like to just pat the cleanser into my skin like that. I don't like to use a cotton because I feel like the cotton just feels a little harsh on the skin. This way it's just more like gentle. Also been absolutely loving this product. This was sent to me for a campaign which hasn't gone live yet because of course, the current scenario. It's a L'Oreal Revita Lift Crystal Micro Essence. It's like a serum but not serum. It's like water and it just feels really good on the skin. You just have to use it like I use my toner. It's basically called Crystal Micro Essence and it really helps improve the skin's elasticity, skin texture, etc. I mean, I can actually replace this with a moisturizer sometimes, so that's pretty chill. Now I'm gonna use a BB cream. This pressure cooker. How am I gonna cook with this sound? I have to tell mom. Okay, for base today, like I'm obviously again today not shooting because I still haven't edited what I was supposed to edit yesterday. Because I haven't had the time. I was just editing this video, so this is taking up a lot of my time, but well, it's alright. So I'm going to be using the Lakme 95cc cream. It's the shade beige and this basically is an all-in-one thing. It has sunscreen, it has moisturizer, it has some tint in it. So I'm going to use a very slight amount, just like literally a drop of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brush today and not use my fingers for a change. And I'll just like absorb that in my skin. Very little product, guys, I've taken just to give myself like a very, very light sheer tint of base product. Moving on to lip balm, I'm going to be using my Organic Kitchen High Barbie lip balm. This is something I picked up from Korea, so I have absolutely no idea where you can get this. Sorry, Aura. It's one of the best lip balms I've ever used. So good. Creamy. We are going to use this product today. It's the Love Tint by Benefit. It's just like a nice soft tint. I mean, depends on the intensity. So I'm just going to take 2 drops. I mean 2 dots, not drops, sorry. And what I'm going to do is give myself like a nice flush of pink. Love it. And a little bit on the nose, because I had a little extra product on this cheek. And a little bit on the eyes if you want. A little bit on the lips. I'm wearing this really cute crop t-shirt. This is from H&M. And these pants, which are from Vero Moda or Only, I'm not sure. And that's my stay at home look for day number 2 of my 21-day challenge. And I'm starving. बहुत भूख लग रही है. Let's quickly go to the kitchen and cook something. So I'm in my kitchen today and meal prep looks a little more intense today than what it was yesterday because I'm attempting to make something I've never made before, and that is going to be mushroom masala toast. I've taken the recipe off of food.ndtv.com. So let's get started. Firstly, in a pan, we have to saute some cumin seeds, Kashmiri chilies and chopped garlic. So that's my pan here. It's already on, so it's heating up. So I'm not using refined oil. I'm using the Baso olive oil. Olive oil in the pan. Gonna take a little less than half teaspoon cumin seeds, chopped garlic, saute this a little bit, and I have to open the recipe on the other side. A little bit of chili powder, little bit of turmeric, a little bit of coriander powder. I'm adding very little because I've never tried this recipe before, so I'm just taking it slow and just mixing it all up. Tomatoes. I'm going to add them to the pan here. on the side. A small pinch of sugar to my onion, to my tomatoes. Butter to the pan now. And now I'm adding mushrooms to this. I've just added the mushrooms to the mix now. Salt. Amul butter, and I've added that here. Like literally nothing. And now I'm going to put some bread on top of this. Okay, so I've added like 1 cheese slice into 4 breads, just topped it up a little just to give it some flavor because I don't like too much cheese and I don't want it to be too unhealthy. And now I'm going to take my mushrooms. I'm just going to add my mushrooms to the bread on one bread, and I'm taking the other bread which is crisp by now, and I'm going to top it up like that and just nicely press it. And now I'm just going to try and cut the sandwich into 2. And let's have a look how it looks from inside. Ooh, and I'm so proud of myself. It looks so good. Yay! No ketchup. Actually, I'm going to try 1 bite right now for camera. Pretty good. I'm actually impressed with myself. I'm going to enjoy this and catch you for the fun fact later. And I have mom with me. You want to say something?
Okay, Google, tell me one fun fact.
Comic strips and newspapers are nicknamed funny papers.
Oh, interesting. Very cool. Comic strips and newspapers are called funny papers. That's pretty cool actually. I did not know that. So yeah, that's it for day 2, guys. I managed to survive 2 full days and complete the challenge. Yay! And I hope to do this for the next 19 more days. Yeah, it's not going to be easy, but we shall do this together. And I'm loving your guys' entries that you guys have sent to me on stories. Keep tagging me, keep posting what all you guys are doing, the immunity drinks you're making, whatever you're cooking, whatever you're exercising, whatever you're learning with the hashtag 21-day challenge, and tag me at the @NitaPakCall, and we shall share that on stories. And I love you guys and wish me luck for the next few days. Bye.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored, and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored.
Hi everybody, sorry for looking like this, just got up. These are difficult times. We all know that this is a time of crisis, but it is particularly difficult for those who do not have access to the right kind of resources, and amongst them are our daily wage workers. Now, I am happy to report that the entire industry is coming in support of them. You can also support these daily wage workers, and how you can do that is this, that BMC and Art of Living Foundation have come up with a fantastic initiative. You can contribute through them, and through a small contribution, whatever it is that you feel like contributing, you can help some of these families. So I'm going to, immediately after this post, I'm going to be posting a photograph which will have all the details. It will have the account number, the IFSC code, the name of the account holder, which is IAHP Disaster Relief Fund. I wholeheartedly support it, and I think you should too. Do your best, do your bit. We are all in this together. We are in the same boat. We will sail through, and we will defeat Corona. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay indoors.
और मैं ये बात एक प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पर नहीं, आपके परिवार के सदस्य के नाते कह रहा हूं। अभी के हालात को देखते हुए देश में ये लॉकडाउन 21 दिन का होगा। अगर ये 21 दिन नहीं संभले तो देश और आपका परिवार 21 साल पीछे चला जाए।
सुन कोरोना मेरे देश को गंदा तुम कोरोना। हाय, मैं हूँ रेमो डिसूजा। कोरोना वायरस जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में आग की तरह फैल रहा है, उसको कंट्रोल करना या ना करना हमारे हाथों में। You know what I mean? हमारे हाथों में। करो इसको खत्म आसानी से, दोनों हाथों को धोना गर्म पानी से। काम आसान पर बात सयानी ये, बी सेफ तुम बचना नादानी से। दूर से करो तुम बात, बोलो हेलो या नमस्ते, जोड़ के हाथ। स्पेंड सम टाइम विद फैमिली, डरो ना, सिंपल सी बात, रूल्स फॉलो करो ना। सुन कोरोना मेरे देश को गंदा तुम कोरोना। 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 सुन कोरोना मेरे देश को गंदा तुम कोरोना।
यार, अभी भी कुछ लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं कि ये मामला कितना सीरियस है। आप अभी भी, कल लॉकडाउन हुआ था, इतने सारे लोग ने सपोर्ट किया, लेकिन कुछ लोग अभी भी हैं जो जिनके में भी शायद अकल नहीं है कि रोड पे एक साथ आए हैं और सब सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। ये सेलिब्रेशन वाला मामला है ही नहीं यार, क्यों कर रहे हैं ऐसा आप लोग? एंड बी सीरियस। घर पे रहने बोला तो घर पे रहिए, मत घूमिए कुछ भी। जिनका काम है वही काम कर रहे हैं, उनको अलाउ किया है। बाकी लोगों को घर पे रहने बोला है। तो कोरोना वायरस से कोई सुपर हीरो नहीं बचाएगा आपको। आप सभी अपने आप में सुपर हीरो। आपको खुद की रक्षा खुद ही करनी पड़ेगी, नहीं तो ये बहुत ही मामला गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। प्लीज़ बी सेफ, प्लीज़ बी एट होम एंड डोंट टेक दिस लाइटली।